idea of Safe Families is providing safe and loving homes for children when their parents are experiencing some sort of crisis, whether that be postpartum depression, a medical crisis of another kind, homelessness, they get an eviction notice for whatever reason, maybe a parent's in a car accident or gets a cancer diagnosis or is going through a job transition. All of these things are situations we would be able to help with. We also provide respite care. Respite care is big. It takes a village, as the saying goes, to raise kids. 50 volunteers that have been vetted and approved. So we have various volunteer roles. We have what's called ministry leads. They help recruit volunteers. They make sure that volunteers know about upcoming trainings, events, and also cases that we're working on. Then we also have family friends, and a family friend might be, your grandma who can make a meal, or someone who could help provide transportation for little Johnny or Susie to a soccer game or ballet or dance practice. The central focus of our program, and that's our host families. Our host families, they go through a very strenuous vetting process. Their background check through the Central Registry, through the Department of Health and Human Services, Michigan State Police through iChat, their national and state sex offender registry cleared. And currently we've hosted 14 children in Shar-Am since January 1st, 2016. And we're currently working on 3 cases right now. We have a core training this Wednesday evening, April 5th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. at First Presbyterian Church, Petoskey. This training talks about the philosophy and vision of Safe Families, how to interact with parents, the 5 protective factors, because we focus all of our energy in a strengthening families approach model to helping families stay together. And so those are kind of the main things. We also talk about the volunteer roles and how they interact together and what a typical case might look like from beginning to end. And also, how they could further spread the word about Safe Families in the community. So we also have a meeting coming up this next Monday night from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the East Jordan Valley Teen Depot Center, and that's downtown East Jordan. It's going to be from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it's just a big community informational meeting trying to get churches and referral sources on board with what we're doing in Charlotte, Wayne, and County for families.